ArangoDB is excited to announce the release of version 3.5, and in this video I will highlight some of the many upcoming features included in this release. Smart Joins is another great addition to our growing list of features that aim to keep your distributed database queries lightning fast. Smart Joins allows for co-locating the data involved in joins on the same database servers, which can substantially reduce the network traffic involved in queries. Arango Search, the ArangoDB search engine, is getting a few features and improvements as well. Starting with sorted views, which introduces the ability to create pre-sorted Arango Search views. Sorted views can help avoid a sometimes costly sort of a result set. Configurable Analyzers are another exciting Arango Search feature being added with ArangoDB 3.5. Configurable Analyzers allows for creating analyzers with different types, properties, and features. This allows for configuring features such as case conversion, case-insensitive searching, stop words, accent removal, and stemming. This adds both function and performance to queries using Arango Search. Graph traversals are getting some new features and improvements as well, including k-shortest paths, which allows for querying and returning more than just one shortest path with a customizable weight attribute. This new AQL feature is a great way to get a list of alternative shortest paths for your graph queries. PRUNE is a new AQL feature used in graph traversals. PRUNE does a performance search along a path until its search criteria has been met, at which point it returns the entire path. PRUNE works like a stop condition and can be a very efficient option for your graph traversals. Streaming transactions now gives you the flexibility to perform transaction operations using your preferred driver language. On release, the Go, JavaSync, PHP, and JavaScript drivers will be supported, with other drivers soon to follow. Data masking offers the option to hide or mask sensitive data during data dumps. This allows for even more secure testing and development with ArangoDB. That's not all we have in store for the 3.5 release either. Be sure to check out the detailed blog post that contains full feature introduction videos and details on upcoming features being introduced with 3.5 and beyond, such as incremental backups that will be coming with 3.5.1. We hope you're as excited as we are about everything new coming to ArangoDB. You can try all of these amazing features on our upcoming managed service product, ArangoDB Oasis, which is now taking early bird signups at arangodb.com/managed-service. ArangoDB 3.5 will be officially available August 21st, 2019 on our website, arangodb.com.